So peeps, we know the music industry in Jamaica operates, we know how Piola work, we know the money pull-up epidemic that is crippling the music industry, and we know that many talented young artists have been putting in the work for years and they're not getting the recognition or the support from whether it is the disc jocks, the selectors, or the government. And as such, we see them languish and their talents are not brought to the masses. Having said that, peeps, I saw where the Minister of Entertainment and Culture, Olivia Babsy Grange, handed Etana, you know, peeps, a strong one, a check to assist with her US city tour. Etana, check. Minister of Entertainment. While so many young artists cannot even buy studio time, I'm going to talk about it.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them.
Etana handed Entertainment Ministry grant to assist with US city tour. The Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, Olivia Grange, has announced that recording artist Etana is the first female recipient of financial support from the ministry's Artist Ambassador and Tour Support Program. Etana has received a grant of US $5,000, which is Jamaican $630,000, to support her 32-city tour of the United States. Minister Grange made a symbolic check presentation to Etana last Thursday. Etana, being the first female, is most deserving of the support. We, the ministry, know it is not an easy task for an artist to tour for any length of time and cover expenses. Touring is more in keeping with promoting your work and not necessarily making money. It is about the development of your career and the exposure of your product, Minister Green said. She explained that the aim of the Artist Ambassador and Tour Support Program is to strengthen Brand Jamaica through media, marketing and partnership. Green said it was important that the program supports those artists who are good ambassadors, who represent Jamaica well, and whose music reflects the management of reggae and that of Jamaica. For her part, Etana said she was grateful for the support and will continue to promote Jamaica as she tours. She also thanked Minister Grange for her continuous support of reggae music. The tour, Love Over Everything, is scheduled to take place from February 9th to March 31.
You know, it's teach them the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
Peeps, I don't want to forget me wrong, you know. This is not a bad initiative if the right persons benefit from it. No, peeps, let us be honest. Etana is a giant in the entertainment music business. Etana has been in this business for years, and at this point in time, because the minister is saying it is about helping to promote the work and foster development. What kind of more development would Etana need at this stage in her career? And I will say this unreservedly, unapologetically, Etana at this point in time should be able to fund and sustain any tour that she is embarking upon. You understand what I say? And I think if the minister is interested in helping artists to promote themselves and develop themselves and promote Jamaica, there are many young talented artists who does not have the resources, does not have the means to have their careers develop or to go on a tour to promote their work. So is the initiative a bad initiative? I don't necessarily think it is. But if the artists who have been established in the business for years and should be financially able to support their tours and promotion and thing are the ones benefiting from it, then it don't make no sense. You understand me? I say, what happened to the youth who can't buy studio time? What happened to the youth who don't have a good guitar? You understand what I mean? I say, warm to the youth them where have the talent and nobody now support them. Why are we taking taxpayers' money, giving 630,000 Jamaican dollars to Etana to go on a tour? I do not agree with that, and I have absolutely nothing against Etana. Etana is a wonderful artist. You understand what I mean? I say, but Etana, since she has been in the business, should at this point in time be able to sustain herself and her music, and the Minister of Culture would have blundered in this one in making Etana the first recipient. You understand me? I said there are many more artists out there, talented artists who are in greater need for the support. Etana, big up yourself. This is not an attack against you. You understand? I have nothing against you. What I'm saying is that there are many artists out there who would need the assistance far more than you do. And Etana, I'm sure, works more than $5,000 for anyone booking what she go work overseas. You understand me? I say, so Minister Grange, you need to reconsider how persons benefit from this and who benefit from this. Yes, Etana would be a good ambassador for Jamaica and thing. We know some people still have her from the Donald Trump situation, but at the end of the day, there are more artists in the business who are in greater need for this assistance from the ministry, and it is wasted on Etana, I personally think. But that is just me, piece. Let me know what you have to say about it in the comment section down below. The strong one, go and stay strong. Bobsy, fix up your thing.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Inside my doorstep, singing sweet song, a melody's pure and true. Say yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Worry about a thing, no. Every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing gonna be alright.
Teach them. Hey yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.